Why does your scanner show the P203A engine code? What does it mean? P203A is a diagnostic trouble code for Reductant Level Sensor A circuit. The P203A engine code indicates PCM detected irregular, implausible, or missing signal from diesel exhaust fluid (DEF) level sensor in storage tank of the vehicle system monitoring unit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: internal short, overfilled DEF tank, fluid contamination, damaged corroded wiring, faulty or degraded. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, BMW, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.